4x plus 2y equals 14. 7x minus 3y equals negative 8. X's don't match up. 4 cannot go into 7. The y's don't match up. 2 cannot go into 3. What shall we do? You can always do this. You can multiply both equations. And the easiest thing you can do is you can take the numbers in front. Like in this case, if you wanted the x's to match up, you just flip them. Like there's a 7 down here, so we can multiply the top one by 7. There's a 4 up there, you can multiply the bottom one by 4. Right? Because 7 times 4 would give you 28, so they would both be 28x. And we'd want one of those to be negative, right? You can always do that. Just take the numbers and flip them. So like the 3 and the 2, I'm going to actually mess with those because it already has one positive and one negative. So what's the smallest number that 3 and 2 can go into? 6. So we can make them both 6y. So to make 2y 6y, we'd multiply by 3. The second one, to make 3y 6y, we'd have to multiply by 2. So let's get that top equation. Everything times 3. 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times 2y is 6y. And 3 times 14 is 42. And the second equation, remember we chose 2 because that'll get us that 6y. 2 times 7x is 14x. 2 times negative 3y is negative 6y. And then 2 times negative 8 would give us negative 16. Now if you look, we've got our y's matched up. Now it's just normal. 12x plus 12x plus 14x is 26x. We have no y's. 42 plus negative 16 is 26. 26x equals 26. We got to divide both sides by 26. And 26 divided by 26 is positive 1. So that's part of our answer there. We need the y though. You can use one of the 2 originals. You can use one of the 2 new ones. The originals are typically easier because they're just smaller numbers. So let's say I chose the first one. 4x plus 2y equals 14. So x is 1. So we have 4 times 1 plus 2y equals 14. Now 4 times 1 is just 4. No big deal there. How are you going to get rid of that 4? You're going to subtract it from both sides. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we're left with 2y. 14 minus 4 is 10. 2y equals 10. We have to divide by 2 on both sides, which gives us y equals 5. Put that over here for our answer. So these 2 lines would cross each other. They would intersect at 1, 5. Let's choose another equation just to make sure. The 7x minus 3y. So 7x minus 3y equals negative 8. 7 times 1 is 7. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. And 7 minus 15 is indeed negative 8. So we've got that one correct. Well done.